Hi everyone, how are you all? Happy Valentine's Day, and you're all very welcome back to my channel. I'm just very quickly going to share some of the Valentine's meal deals that I picked up to try not to have any cooking today. So Supervalu Ireland have this meal deal, dine in for two, €12. You get one main, two sides and one dessert. And there are a selection of dishes that you can choose from. And you get all of that for just €12. So if you look online on supervalu.ie and look up the Valentine's meal deal, you get to this page here and you can see the different main courses that they have and the sides and the desserts. So what I picked up was, for the main, I picked up this lamb tagine, which looks absolutely delicious. We've had it before actually on other years and it is really, really yummy. I picked up two potato gratin or gratin, however you want to pronounce it, because we all love that. And I'll just show you what it looks like. So that'll go down a treat in this house. We'll just pop it in the oven. And then I got this as the dessert, chocolate cake. And that will be the kids' dessert today. And I'll show you then what we picked up in M&S, Marks and Spencer's. They have a deal on as well, but theirs is €18. And you get a starter, a main, a side and a dessert. So that's why it's a little bit more expensive, I suppose, because you get the starter. So it's £20 sterling, but it's actually only €18. So I don't know how that works, that it's cheaper in Ireland than in Britain. But anyway, we'll take it. So you have a plant-based option and the regular meat option. And here are all the different starters. There is some selection, and the mains and the sides and the desserts. Oh, this is why it's £20. We don't get the drinks with it. So what do they get in Britain? You get a starter, a main, a side, a dessert and a drink. Okay, we don't get the drink. So no, sorry, it's actually cheaper in Britain because we don't get the drink. Oh, that's not fair. Anyway, I'm delighted with our €18 selection of foods that we got. So I picked up these scallops in shell, expertly sorted scallops in an indulgent creamy sauce with buttery mashed potato, hand garnished with cheddar cheese crumbs. And I think those are going to be absolutely delicious for myself and my husband. For the main, I picked up this steak, the two ribeye steaks. We're not actually going to have that today. I'm going to pop that in the freezer. Cod was on offer. No, not cod. Hake was on offer in Supervalu. So I picked up some of that. So that's what I'm going to put in the oven when I'm putting everything else in the oven. And some baby potatoes. This is the side I picked up. This we will have today, a cheesy green vegetable bake. And then our dessert is going to be this raspberry profiterole stack. So we're going to have this starter, myself and my husband. Then for the main, we'll have the hake, roasted hake. I'll do a sheet pan dish, a tray bake with the baby potatoes and the hake. I'll save the lamb tagine for another day. It's got the 21st of February on it. I will probably add a little bit to that and have that with rice another day as a family dinner. We will have the potato gratin, we'll have the baby potatoes, and the kids will have that dessert. So if you haven't picked up anything yet and you want a night off cooking, hop into your local Supervalu, pick up your meal for €12. Or if you're close to M&S, pop in there and you get a delicious meal for €18. No excuses, fabulous meal this evening. Great value and delicious options. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. God bless. Talk to you soon. Bye.